Welcome to today's video of learning how to do things the easy way. In this video, we are going to show you some simple tricks for solving a Rubik's Cube. Follow these drawn instructions and you will be amazed by how fast you'll solve it. Did you know there are certain steps you should follow to solve a Rubik's Cube? If you have always found it hard to solve one, here's your chance to do it. They're each easier than the other. Give them a try and you will thank us. Go grab a cube, follow along, and surprise everyone!